We are at my ultimate happy place. We're at Luquillo Beach right now. It's so beautiful. You have the sunset over here. Over here you have some more. You have speakers, people. I'm here with my mom, my grandpa, and my cousin. But it's so beautiful. So we're here just chilling right now. It is absolutely beautiful. The water is perfect. The weather is perfect. I literally have nothing to complain about. This is just, I love it here so much. We're just chilling now, walking around. Miss Valeria, do you want to say hi? Hola. We're back, baby. We're back and we're better. You've been in like 3 of my vlogs already. Sí. So, yo soy ya una frecuente. There you go. So now she's gonna be a frequent visitor on my channel. Especially now that I'm gonna be here for 3 weeks. Stay tuned. Look how much sand are in my Crocs. These are literally like clogs at this point. Ew. We go.
Esa es la adicción de
Got a coconut mojito, a tamarind mojito, oh, passion fruit mojito, and a medalla for Grandpa. Hey, guys, cheers! Cheers! Hey, 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 hey. But we came straight to a restaurant in Luquillo. My cousin Wala, you guys already know her. My grandpa, my mom. Cheers, salud, everyone. Salud. I got mahi tacos, so to my mom. We got some sorujos on this side. We got some mofongos over here. Yum. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to your grandpa. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Talk about how cute my little outfit is. Got the purse over here. Little bucket hat. I think it's so cute. These shorts are from Zara, I think. I got this thrifted, but it is Zara. This hat, no idea, my mom got it for me. And this pretty little thing purse. And also these slides, my mom got them for me. But how cute. So comfy too.
Ahora el tambor te llama y está llamando con sentimiento y manana, y están llegando todos los rumberos y de lejos están sonando los cueros, y ay qué rico está sonando mi rumba, y ay qué rico está sonando mi son, me lo voy a llevar hasta la tumba, y ahora yo te invito a mi fiestón. Eso, rompe los cueros, suena los tambores, llegó la hora para olvidar los dolores.
If you guys get Harold as a bartender, you better tip him. Everybody, okay? I got a Bacardi Sunrise. How pretty. The mural in the back. It's so good. I'm not even gonna lie. It's so good. She needs to burn the calories of her drink, so this is what has come down to. There you go. You have to keep it up. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, now she's doing trick shots. Oh, now she's getting fancy. She's trying to show off for YouTube. She's showing off for YouTube. Now we're heading to the trolley, which is gonna take us around on our tour. We still have our drinks. Yum. And yeah, I'm excited. Let's get this thing going. We're on the tram now. We're about to go around, do this little tour with our drinks.
All right, my friends, welcome to beautiful Catania, Puerto Rico. But most of all, welcome to Casa Bacardi. How are you guys doing today?
Yeah.
Yes, awesome. I like that energy. Now, I just want to mention before we get started that this trolley does come with a free.
I'll be back.
Y están llamando con sentimiento y manana. Y están llegando todos los rumberos. Y de lejos están sonando los cueros. Y ay, qué rico está sonando mi rumba. Y ay, qué rico está sonando mi son. Me lo voy a llevar hasta la tumba. Y ahora yo te invito a mi fiestón. Eso, rompe los cueros, suena los tambores. Llegó la hora para olvidar los dolores. H Lukumi, H Olofi, H para todos los señoras y señores. Y ay, qué rico está sonando mi rumba. Y ay, qué rico está sonando mi son. Y lo voy a llevar hasta la tumba. Y ahora yo te invito a mi fiestón. Y ahora yo te invito a mi fiestón. ¡Ay! Tu pra, pra, suena mi tambor como va. Ay, suena mi tambor como va, mamá. Tu pra, pra, pra. Tu pra, suena mi tambor como va. Ay, mi tambor te llama con sentimiento y mañana. Tu pra, suena mi tambor.
At the end of the tour, they give you a little tasting of rum. It's actually really smooth. I don't like rum like that. I'm a tequila girl, but this is pretty good stuff. Did you like it? Taste. My mom is such a Bacardi girl. Like, you cannot tell her any other rum is better. So this for her, yeah, this for her is everything and more. Yeah, this is heaven for her. But the tour was so nice. This is how they ended off. I think that was like a really awesome touch to it. They have like the bar in the back where they were explaining a bunch of different rums. I really think that if you were interested in coming, you definitely should. I think it was so cool, so informative. It's good stuff. I'm getting these little glasses. How freaking pretty are these? I figured this is something I'd actually use when I go home, so why not? I love them. But we had so much fun. I got like these 2 martini glasses and they're so beautiful. They're so cute, and I honestly wanted to get something that I feel like I could actually use at home.
Llegó la hora para olvidar los dolores, mamá. Ay, nada más. H Lukumi, H Olofi, H pa' todo el mundo. Ay, nada más. Sabroso Tony de nuevo. Ay, qué rico. Bueno, mira. Toca, Tony. Habla. Colombiare. Ajá.
Luquillo right now, and this is the beach area. I'm not sure what beach this is, but it is so freaking beautiful. They're actually doing surf classes over there. How cool is that? I always wanted to do surf classes, but I'm honestly kind of a wuss, and I don't think I can get myself to, like, you see how they're kind of standing up? Yeah, I don't know if I'd be able to actually do that. We've honestly just been spending the rest of the day going around to different towns and seeing like the little plazas, which is normally in the center of the towns. We ended up at this beach here. So beautiful. And we're kind of just hanging out, doing our thing. We're probably gonna go get some food after this. I hope you guys can see my face good. Probably gonna go get some food after this, chill, go back to the Airbnb for like a few minutes because we really need to like charge our phones and everything because we totally forgot chargers and all that good stuff. And yeah, we're having ourselves a day. It is so beautiful out. I can't complain. Everything has been so fun. The Bacardi Factory was so cool. When my friends come in like 2 weeks-ish, I really want to do this mixology class that they have there. You basically like learn how to make mojitos and different drinks, and that is everything. I love that. So I think I'm going to convince my friends to do it with me, and that's going to be our next adventure at the Bacardi Factory. So one thing I wanted to point out while I'm at this beach is that sometimes you can see ribbons like this, like marking a little square, turtle egg site. So that's actually supposed to like protect the turtle eggs, and you're not supposed to walk in it or like literally do not go inside those at all. You got to be respectful of the land and the animals, and that is so important. You got to protect the turtles, you know? So yeah, these are actually in quite a few spots on the beach. I don't know if you guys can see. There's another one down there, and there's actually a few on that side of the beach too. Lessons every day with Jenny. I think it's so important. We have to maintain our environment as literally as much as possible because there are so many terrible things going on in the world that our generation really has to look out for the environment, the world, the animals, the wildlife, all that. So that's my little rant. I'm gonna enjoy the beach for a little bit more. Got a little coconut mojito. So my mom got me this hat recently, and look at the hat she got for her.
Even though underneath.
Yeah. So now we're slightly matching in a way. There's that. So we came to a restaurant. It's called La Paella, and it's in like the little Luquillo kiosks area. There's actually like 60 buildings here. There's like 60 different buildings here between bars, restaurants, little clothing shops, you name it, you can probably find it here. But yeah, we're in this restaurant right now. It's super cute. It is actually so big. It's literally like 3 buildings in one. So there's that. The guy took us in, like the hostess, and he walked us through like 5 different doors just to get to our table. So this is our table. We're still waiting for our food now. We just got some mojitos, coconut mojito like always. So we're waiting for our food. I'll show you guys the food when it comes here. I'm excited. I got red snapper. We're gonna eat sweat today. I'm excited. I'll bring you guys back when the food comes. Okay, so we got all of our food. This is basically fried red snapper. You have white rice and beans on the side. You have red snapper filled with paella, and then you have some sweet plantains on the side, a little salad, and then over here you have some mofongo out. I'm so excited to eat. It all looks so good. I'm kind of shook because the plates are so big, but we're excited. We came to the beach quickly for sunset, and you have to see this. This is so beautiful. Ah!